The IRIS dataset is chosen because it is a classic, widely used dataset in data analysis and machine learning, consisting of 150 samples of iris flower from 3 species with 4 measurable features: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. It is simple enough for beginners, yet rich enough to demonstrate key concepts of data manipulation and visualization effectively. This code introduced the IRIS dataset, a classic open-source dataset often used in data science and machine learning. It contains measurement of 3 species for the iris flower: the Iris setosa, Iris versicolor, and Iris virginica. Each flower is described by 4 numeric features: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. The data manipulation involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing data to prepare for analysis. For the IRIS dataset, common manipulation includes selecting relevant columns, filtering data by species, and handling outliers. Data visualization uses graphical techniques to uncover patterns and relationships, such as sepal and petal lengths, across different species. Insights from such visualization can reveal distinct clusters among species, indicating clear separation or overlaps in measurement. For example, scatter plot of sepal length versus petal length show how species differ visually, aiding classification and understanding of the dataset structures. Main operation of data manipulation: data preprocessing, structure the data, reduce the number of features, and clean the data, transforming the data. Main operation of data visualization: chart, graph, and maps. Data iris loads the built-in iris dataset in R. Main iris returns the column names of the dataset. Full names iris, same as main iris, returning the column names. And head iris for display the first 4 rows. Tail iris display the last 6 rows by default. Beam iris dimension of the dataset: 150 observation and 5 means 150 rows and 5 columns. Class iris return the type of object. Iris is a data frame. Class iris $sign sepal length returns the data type of the specified column, a numeric vector. Aggregate data: it's incomplete, incorrect code. This use Dipter, a popular R package but not loaded or used here. Syntax: to attempt to group the data by species and calculate summary statistic for each group. The syntax is non-function as written outside of a package environment and missing the actual summarized calculation. Str-iris display the structure of object, including columns, names, data types, and first few values. Summary iris provides a 5-number summary: minimum, first quartile, median, mean, third quartile, and maximum, for numeric columns, and counts for the factor column species. Apply iris applies the mean function across the first 4 columns or measurement, calculating the average measurement for each flower or row, the one species calculation across rows. Apply iris applies the mean function across the first 4 columns, calculating the average for each measurement or column, the two specify calculation across columns. P-apply iris $sign sepal length iris $species mean. Apply the mean function to a sepal length variable group by species. This calculate the mean sepal length for each of the 3 iris species. Iris $sepal length access the sepal length column using the $sign operator, returning it as a vector. Iris bracket 1, it's a subset the data frame to return the entire first row, the first flower's measurement. And iris bracket 1 is a subset the data frame to return all rows for the first column or sepal length. Iris bracket species is a subset the data frame to return all rows of the column named species. Mean iris $sepal length calculate the arithmetic mean average for all sepal length values across all 150 flowers. SD iris $sepal length it's calculate the standard deviation of all sepal length values measuring the spread variability of the data around the mean. Table iris dollar species generate a frequency table showing the count of observation for each level species in the species column. Mean and STD. It's a define a custom function named mean and STD that takes a numeric vector x as input and return a vector containing both its mean and standard deviation. Mean and STD iris dollar sepal length calls the custom function to calculate the mean and standard deviation specifically for sepal length column. Plot iris dollar sepal length and iris dollar sepal width color equal as numeric iris dollar species CH21. It's a create a scatter plot of sepal length versus sepal width. The call or color and TCH are plotting character size of box argument are set based on the species column, allowing visual distinction of the three species in the plot. Here's iris bracket, comma, 1, 4. Its mean is equal to iris dataset, call is equal iris dollar species. It's a create a matrix of scatter plots for all possible pairs of the four numeric variables: sepal length or sepal width, petal length, petal width. The points are colored by species. This is a matrix of scatter plot showing all possible relationship between the four numeric features of the iris dataset: the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. And each small graph compares two variables at a time. Each dot's color represents a different iris species: Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. These help you visualize separate how each flower type differs from the others. Setosa for black dots, these points are clearly grouped and separate for the others, meaning Setosa flower are quiet, distinct in their measurement. Versicolor and virginica are pink and green dots. These two overlap a bit, and meaning they have a similar but slightly different sepal and petal dimension. In petal length and petal width show the clearest separation between species. A strong correlation where longer petals usually come with crystals. In short, this pair plot helps you visually compare all features at once and see how three flower species differ in shape and size. It's great for spotting and cluster and relationship in the data. Plus, a simple scatter plot with x-axis the sepal length and y-axis the sepal width. Each dot again represents one flower, and each color still represents one species, allowing you to compare them. And it shows the flower with shorter sepal length and wider sepals toward the top left are mostly Setosa, versicolor, and virginica, tend to have longer sepal length but slightly narrower wings, forming more spread out cluster toward the right. There's negative trend as sepal length increase, sepal width tend to decrease slightly. In short, this scatter plot focus only the relationship between sepal length and sepal width. It clearly shows that Setosa flowers are smaller but wider, while virginica flowers are longer and slimmer. In a summary together, these two plots help you understand how the measurement of iris flowers vary by species, and the pair plot gives a big picture. The pair plot gives a big picture overview of all relationships at once, while the scatter plot zoom in on one relationship, sepal length versus sepal width. Both visualization confirm that each species has unique measurement patterns, and some features like petal length and petal width are more useful for distinguish between them. RStudio is very popular and powerful integrated development environment. For the R programming language, it significantly enhanced the R user experience, making it easier to write code, manage project, debug, and visualize data. Learning RStudio is highly recommended for anyone using data manipulation and visualization help to expand knowledge. And the data manipulation, cleaning, transforming, and organizing data. And data visualization, creating plots and charts are core skills in data analysis. They are essential for exploring dataset, finding patterns, communicating and insight, and ultimately expanding knowledge about the data and the subject it represents. And RStudio can do import and export file. And RStudio has extensive capabilities for importing and exporting data in many formats, including common ones like CSV, Excel, and connection to database.